All right. Good morning. Let's try out the ETX. We did that valve job the other day because we discovered the intake valve was leaking. So let's see if we can get this to run. I checked spark and let's get it primed. See if it'll hand start real quick here. Oh. Look at that. We'll see how long that goes. But I'm also going to check out the I take the cap off my breather and you can hear it whistling in there. So put a little drop of oil back in there, top off the crankcase there. So, cool. Well, we'll let that go, and then I am going to check out the ET1 and see if I can get the generator to work for a little bit and do some power testing with it, because I think the generator is kind of set to go. We'll see what happens.